Greylock Curse, it's real.
Every fucking year we get a storm.
Or something bad happens to one of our
The
friends.
only time that nothing bad happened was when it was myself, Phil, and Max.
First trip is free.
Or it happens mid-trip.
No, it's not your first trip is free because Jayson and Liam have been fucked.
Yeah.
Maybe
We got a little fucked, yeah.
Maybe we kind of cut off the wrong hiker.
And Liam cracked his phone.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Into a campfire.
Yeah, buddy. Dude, I'm worried that tomorrow I'm just gonna crash my car. Like,
No, don't worry, it's not that bad. I did it.
yo, this year, jammed my fucking finger, fucking cracked my phone, and blew out my tire 2 days before Greylock. Like, what's going on, dude? This place is cursed.
So I think,
I don't think Greylock likes
It's almost like, it's
What
almost
did you
like,
guys do that first year, man? What the fuck did you guys do?
yeah, we just came here.
Holy water or something?
I think we played too much RuneScape.
That's what it was.
It was RuneScape.
I started playing old school RuneScape
Or
again.
we haven't played
Did we do a
RuneScape
little bit of
after.
D&D?
We also did D&D.
We need to fix that.
So maybe if we don't play Dungeons and Dragons,
No.
something bad
The
happens.
one year that we did Dungeons and Dragons, we were fine.
Yeah.
And the one year we did RuneScape, we were fine.
Yes.
So therefore, we need to do D&D and RuneScape.
So wait, who hasn't been cursed besides me?
Max,
Me and Max.
Three.
Oh shit.
No.
Something bad happened to
Phil.
Max. Something bad happened to Phil.
Max is lucky, dude. This dude evaded the whole flood.
I've had
He's
two.
lucky.
Yeah, he wasn't even stranded last year.
So you're on
Yeah.
3.
Oh wow. Yeah.
Oh wait, no, you're. I guess you guys are counting in the stranded
This is
part.
my first year. I'm on fucking 3.
So Max is the
Like-
only one who's completely good, and then I only had the stranded.
And then I've got stranded pre-Greylock accident,
During
during
Greylock
Greylock
accident.
accident.
Damn.
It's a good road, but you can't fucking mess with it.
Yeah, absolutely.
At least we've got a lot of like capable cars for this, like
Dude,
being able to switch gears so that way you can fucking.
Yo, Pro CVT Adam.
Wait, so you've never changed your, you've never bled your brakes?
Where's the plunger? Dave poo clogged the toilet.
Yeah.
Your poo clogged the toilet.
No.
Yes.
Yeah. Let me see this.
Don't go in there because my poo didn't go down.
So now whose role is it to plunge?
Not it.
I was the last one to go.
Not it.
But he was the one to clog it.
I got it.
It's
Whose
gotta
side are you on,
Yo,
Phil?
it's gotta be one of the two ones who keep farting on this whole trip.
Oh, so you guys are both gonna take twinsy turns.
I am not sharing a plunger with that man. I'll do it myself. Okay.
What's up, guys?
I mean, you might have to add that.
Fuck, where's my paddle? Shit.
Why can't you reach it? It's right there. Almost further back.
What's up, guys?
Pass it. You fucking threw it, you idiot.
Hey, did it land in a boat?
Yeah.
Barely. Oh no. No. You motherfucker.
Hey, buddy.
Hello. Here, let's paddle together. You get left side, I get right side.
Nah, bro, I'm just kind of focusing on staying afloat right now.
Oh
They said it's a buoyancy hole. I think.
Max, mine is dry.
I know yours is dry.
I could do this every day. Wish. Any water? Yo, there's water all around us. I am so funny. What's up before? I don't have anything to say right now. We're kayaking and it's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
No way.
Three, 2, 1, go.
Oh shit. Why do we choose the first time to be in the boat, right? Too slow. No, you did not. No, the fuck you didn't. Well, I was closer.
No, you were not.
Yes, I was. Yes, I was closer.
There's no guards on my mind. 9 p.m. is Eastern Standard Time. Watch the curtains in the wind moan. Keep on looking at the telephone. Choking on the night you call. 'Cause it's so quiet in my home. It's hard to get home. I've been looking for years old. You know everything I know. You know everything I know. We both in Florida, boy. I don't know if it's chemicals, but the water never left my soul. I see you when I'm alone, alone.
Speaking about Corollas, hey Dave,
What's up?
what happened here?
Yo, watch my exhaust falling off.
Yo, again.
Yo, the hanger fell off.
Oh no.
Again?
Nah, I just same thing. We just didn't record the first time, so I'm acting as if it's the first time.
If you're wondering, this has happened before. Dave clearly said, whenever he hits like a really bad bump, it starts to like fall off the hanger. I think last time we fixed it at Walmart. I didn't record that though, but it looks like this. Not the best, but I mean, it's not hitting the ground, so it's fine. But look at this beautiful sunset. Look at that. Look at that. It's bringing me a motivational part of the video, so I don't know what to say. Keep being yourself. Do you. Keep being you. Generic motivational quote. Love yourself, man.
Oh my god, I said I wanted to hop on to that. I don't know what to say. Drive your car with your friends. It is so worth it.
I remember now. Get outside, enjoy your life, and look at that. Look behind you. That's what you're missing out on. Explore the world or something.
Yeah, what he said.
All we do is go to the same mountain over and over.
Bro, I got some battle scars.
What, did this happen today?
I think so. It definitely wasn't here yesterday. That's fucked.
I probably have something gnarly on my car, like scar-wise, battle scars, but I'm not gonna see it until I clean the car. So
Yeah, it's all good. Listen, shit happens, alright? Drive your fucking car.
drive your fucking car. Drive it. Or else you're gonna be a bitch. You're gonna be 80 years old. You're gonna be like, oh, why didn't I drive the car? Yo, what am I talking about?